Hey everyone, and welcome to Fearless Fridays. My name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter, leadership and empowerment coach, guiding others to create a career that they can love. And today I want to talk about that thing at the top of your to-do list that isn't actually getting done. And honestly, it probably shouldn't be a to-do because it's been there for a while. It's been there for maybe 3 months, maybe 6 months, maybe a year, maybe more. And for some reason, this is not getting done. And usually, that's because you are looking for a reason to be forced to do it. You're very comfortable, and this thing that you want to do will make you uncomfortable. It could be anything. It could be starting a business, it could be breaking up, it could be moving. And something about this to-do doesn't really have a strong enough motivation or level of confidence attached to it. You're waiting for the right time. So I'd like to ask you to just do an exercise real quick. Write at the top of a piece of paper this thing that isn't getting done. And then start writing what would need to happen for you to do it. So for example, with starting a business, sometimes people say, if I lose my job, I'll start a business. If I win the lottery or save more money, I'll start a business. If when my kids leave the house, I'll start a business. When I finish the certification, I'll start a business. When I meet the right partner, I'll start a business, and keep going. And I want you, once you get a list of like 5, 10, maybe even 20 different ways it would force you to do this thing or would actually create the right environment for you to do this thing, I want you to take a look at that list and see how many of them are actually needed for you to do this thing. You may find some, but most of the time you won't find much other than make a decision to take some action. All the other reasons are excuses. All the other reasons are ways just to make you feel more comfortable to do the thing that you want to do. So based on this exercise, what have you learned? What do you want to do? Where can you take action? And how can you move forward on a to-do that's been sitting there for a while that's asking you to honor it? So guys, if you've taken one thing away from this video, share it with a friend, give it a comment, a like. And most importantly, everyone, keep on living for yourself.